Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tenorshare channel. In this guide, we'll show you how to watermark PDF documents using the Tenorshare PDNob in just a few clicks. Tenorshare PDNob is a smarter, faster, and easy-to-use PDF editor that works on both Windows and Mac. Use the link in the video description below to visit the website, where you can download and install this AI-powered tool. This AI software is an all-in-one solution designed for everything related to documents: editing, annotating, converting, and securing files. It has everything you need to work with documents. In addition to these features, you can use this PDF tool to secure and personalize your PDF documents by adding a watermark. It offers a user-friendly interface and multiple customization options for watermarks. Now, let's see how easy it is to watermark your PDF files with this tool. After downloading and installing the software, launch it from your desktop. You'll arrive at this interface. Click on Open PDF and use the Windows File Explorer to locate and select the PDF file you want to work on. Click Open and the PDF file will appear in the viewer. At the top of this interface, you can see several tools and controls to perform various actions with this PDF tool. We won't be covering all of these today. For this tutorial, we'll simply go to Edit and then locate Watermark. This panel will open up on the right-hand side. Come to Add Watermark and then click the plus button. These settings will appear. Starting from the top, you can choose to add text or an image as a watermark to the document. To add text, simply type whatever you want into the text box. If you're adding an image, locate the image file and click Open to add it to the document. Just like formatting text in word processing software, you can set the font type, font size, and font color. For appearance, use the slider to adjust the transparency from 0% to 100%. Use this button to set the angular orientation or position, and you can specify a custom angle between 0 and 360 degrees. You can also choose to set the watermark size as relative or absolute, based on your preference. Moving down to the position settings, you can use the preset options to adjust the placement of the watermark or make custom position adjustments. You can also choose to place the watermark above or below the page. In most cases, it is placed below the page. Finally, in the page range settings, you can choose to apply the watermark to all pages, only odd or even pages, or manually select specific pages. As a bonus, you can save the watermark template for quick access in case you need to apply the same watermark to the more documents in the future. When you're done, click Save to save the watermarked PDF file to your system, and that's it. As you've seen, using Tenorshare PDNob PDF editor to watermark PDF documents is fast and easy and can be done by anyone in less than a minute. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more official tips and tricks. Thank you for choosing our software, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.